It's with air that we'll go and operate it directly, using the air we send from the tractor to the trailer, thanks to the adapter that we put on each box, which fits onto the cover. I'll show you how it works. Naturally, the valve is closed at the front. We disconnect the air from the trailer, squeeze it in, and there you go. We've put the air back on. After that, we go to the van's tractor and put the air on there. With this setup, we've got 120 pounds of air in the back. We connect our gun. There's a valve here. We always keep the valve closed when loading the gun. We install it here. We grab our strap. We put the strap inside the bucket, all the way to the bottom. Well positioned. We lock it in here. We secure it here. For those who don't have a hook like this, the hook stays. It doesn't change anything at all. Always like this. We secure it here, that's all. There you go. Now, if you see that it doesn't go in easily, the straps aren't all the same thickness. Just unroll it a bit, then go back and grab it. Okay. And there you go. We lock our strap here, and we put our chain on the side. We pour on this side, you see. At the back, I have a safety bar. So you can't just pull the handle and have it all come off by itself. So you press both at the same time. Click, click. We're going to put 60 pounds of air in it. We put 60 pounds for the 3-inch. We stop there. Either we let it collect or we remove it. Here, we're going to let it collect. We set ourselves about 4 feet from the trailer, roughly 4 feet, 48 inches. We lean it, aim up, and there you go. We shoot. Once it's shot, we simply grab the chain and hook it on the side. The strap sets the corner. It sets all kinds of corners. I know that for this kind of load, normally you don't need it, but it's just to show you that it's made to fit all corners. We come here, grab our strap, and go place it up top. And there you go. Once that's done, we put our strap back here. We position it here. We take up the slack. We lock it in here. With our strap, the tightening bar that we have. You see, we make our own bars. We have a little tab that lets us lock it at the back when we need to tighten it so it doesn't slip. That's good. Once everything's done, I go and release my air to hook up my trailer. I release the air from it. Then we hook the trailer back up. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. Once you've unloaded after that, make sure to properly store and roll up your straps and put them back in the basket. We come here to our storage box. We put them inside where they'll always stay dry and clean. You can fit 6 straps per basket. So if you have 18 straps, you'll need 3 baskets. We stack them up and put them inside safely. It was designed so you have to layer them one on top of the other when you put them inside. You put 6 straps in each, stack them there, and store them in the box. Thank you.